Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 update error. So it is showing like your device missing important security update error. So I'll show you guys how to fix that issue. So simply, first of all, you just need to go to your start or search window and type over here Services.msc. Now press enter from your keyboard and it will open services window. Now you just need to find Windows Update service from here, from this window. Simply you just need to right click on Windows Update and go to properties and startup type. Make sure that you have selected over here automatic and click on apply. After that, click on start. Once it will done, you just need to click on OK. After that, as you can see, it is running and it is also automatic. The startup type is automatic. Now simply close this window. Now you just need to go to your settings and try to update your PC. And still, if your update is not work for you, then simply go to your start or search window once again, type run and then press enter. After open run dialog box, you just need to type one command over here, which is msdt.exe /id space Windows W in caps Windows Update U in caps Diagnostic. After that, press enter after type this command. So don't worry with that. I will give you all this command to my video description. After type this command, press enter. Now it will open this Windows Update troubleshooting window. Simply click on advanced. Make sure that this option is checked, which is apply repairs automatically. And after that, click on next. Now it will automatically detect and fix your problem. After done, check if your problem is solved or not. If it is not, then I will suggest you to reset your update service. For that, simply you need to go to your start window and type cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that, click on yes. Now here you just need to put some command which I'll give you on my video description. So I'll type one by one. The command is called net space stop wuauserv. After that, press enter. Now as you can see, it is stopping update service. So you have to type one more command is called net stop cryptSvc. After that, press enter. Now type net stop space bits. Now lastly, type the command is called net stop msiserver. After that, press enter. Once it will done, you just need to go to your file explorer, go under this PC, then go under C drive, then go under Windows folder. Here you just need to find a folder called software distribution under Windows folder. So go under that folder. Now delete each and every files and folders under this folder, the software distribution folder. Now select yes. So after delete all the files and folders, simply go to your CMD once again and type net start, then wuauserv and press enter. Now as you can see, it's showing like services already started. Now type one more command is called net start cryptSvc. Now press enter. Now type net start bits. Now type net start msiserver. After done, you just need to close this window and simply restart your PC and try to update your PC and it will fix your problem. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.